Get it done, Malik.
Alright, so before I take off on this thing, I want to make sure it's completely safe. What's up, y'all? So today, I'm going to show y'all how to fix a clutch cable that's too loose. So a clutch handle that's too loose on an 09 Harley Electraglide. 09 Harley Electraglide. Now, it'll work for street glides, road glides, whatever. It's all the same thing. I think it's even like this for most bikes. I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. I'm gonna insert a clip of what my Harley was doing. My clutch cable was extremely loose. It wouldn't bounce back. It really wasn't even fitting in the housing. So let's go through it. Now, as you see here, this is the clutch cable, right? So these are 2 bolts here. 1, 2. I'm gonna twist these. Now, if I wanna bring, this is like, let's say like the end of the cable or whatever, right? Or this is the adjustment. So here you slide this either this way or this way. Now, for mine, which is for all, you probably have to go up. So this is up. I know it looks weird because of the camera angle. This is up towards the fairing and up towards like the headlight. Okay, so you want to screw this till it goes up. But this bolt this nut right here locks it in so that it doesn't slide down or it doesn't do anything it doesn't need to do. So you have to be able to twist this one up and then be able to twist this one up so that it doesn't keep going back down and reverse what you did. So I've already done it and I got mine a little bit looser. So I'm gonna keep going through it right now. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. So just watch. I'll speed the clip off. So I just looked it up. This is your clutch cable adjustment here. So you have to loosen, my bad. So this is the clutch cable adjustment, right? You have to loosen this one and then you can bring this one this way or you can go this way. So you make this loose. You can go either back this way or this way. From what I just saw, if you go this way, you take away free play. If you go this way, you add free play, which means like it won't have tension or it will have tension. So let's see now. Okay. So you take the bottom nut, right? You take that one, and you hold it. You hold it good. Take the 11 to the top part. Clamp that on and you twist it. When you twist it, it tightens it. But now you have to hold that one, right? I know it's out of the camera. You have to now make sure you're holding the top bolt and you got to twist that bottom bolt so that it's still holding that the top bolt in. So you hold the top bolt and make sure that you twist the bottom one so that it's tight. Then you do it again. Woo. Twist the top. Now you go here. See how that moves? You want to make sure it's tight. Then you come back, you grab it. Boom. Hold on, I'm going to adjust my channel locks. Yeah, you come back and grab it. All right. You go up here, take that top bolt, boom, twist it. Twist the bottom. See how that's loose? You twist it. Now you wanna tighten that bottom one. Cause I'm done. I don't need to do it anymore. Do those tight so they stay good, and I got this slider on there for mine. So that's that. I'm good. I'm good. It's Malik. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all check out my channel. I built this bike right here. It was a complete total disaster. I got it, it was crashed. I'll insert a clip here, boom. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, check me out. Peace.